Welcome again to my tutorial video again on support and resistance explain strategy. Welcome to this particular class again, so that I'll be teaching you step by step on how you can easily understand forex markets. So do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like and share this video. All right, you understand what is support and resistance in this particular video, and I also practicalized everything for you on the chart so that you can understand the key level, the support and resistance where price normally reacts. So that is the area you need to be buying or selling at resistance level. So let me just explain to you how to learn the market key level, simple trading concept. Then you need to understand what is support. All right, support is just an area, all right, where price stop falling, and I will show you in the chart right now. Support is an area where price stop falling, then price may price may move off from this particular area. Then you can see we have also resistance area is an area where price stop rising, price may move down. So that is a simple concept of support and resistance. But let me just even show you guys on the chart right now on how you can easily draw your support and resistance level on the chart right now. So right now, this is my chart. You will understand everything on this particular chart right now, how you can easily draw your support and resistance level. You can see I've already drawn the one of Euro USD. I mark the support here. You can see support is an area where market failed to break. The market need to touch that particular area like 3 to 4 times. Let's say at least 3 times, at least 3 to 4. Can you see this is one support, this area? This is another support here, and this is another support area. I mean touch 1, 2. Then you can see the markets come here, come again. So I expect the markets to just come again to come and retest this level again. You can see the market come to that place, and even I make some buy here. I wait the market come here, it come again. So I now try to place my order here again. So I just try to do what? I just try to do what and place some buy level here after confirmation candle. Then it will hit our what? Our TP. So you can see. And if you want to understand what is let me delete all this one. If you want to understand how to do what? So how to identify a very strong support level, let me show you. You can see, and if you want to draw your support and resistance, you can see I draw my support, I draw my resistance here, and price broke that particular. So let me just delete everything to show you from. Let me delete everything so that I can show everything for you. You can see this is a plain chart. I need to just delete it for me. So if you want to start your analysis as a forex trader, you need to try to first start from weekly. So to confirm the trend very well on weekly. So when you look at the chart here, the market is doing something like uptrend from this level to this level. The market doesn't come. The market just broke that particular something, starts falling from this area. But you can see the market just broken the trend line here. But that is not what we are here for today. I just want to show you how you can draw your support and resistance. So now, after you confirm your trend here, but the market is trying to broken the something and starting to go up again. So let me just go to daily candle. So this is our daily candle. How can you draw your strong support level and resistance on the daily candle? You can see. So this is a daily as well. So the market crash from this zone. From this zone, you can see from this zone to this particular zone, the market crash from that zone. You can see. So now, but see yet you can still make some money while the market is still do what? It's still down, but the market want to pumping up right now. So if you want to draw your support and resistance level, so just come to, this is the recent one. the recent level here around this zone. We can say support. We can also see, then let's look for our resistance level around this zone. The recent resistance level around this zone, right, is around this zone before the market just broken it. But let me just go to 4 hours for me to show you guys. Can you see? I will show you guys on 4 hours so that you can easily understand what I mean. So this is 4 hours. So I want to draw my recent supports and resistance on 4 hours charts. All right, for me to show you. So I think, okay, let me just try to. All right. So I've already drawn it. This is the recent support level. All right, you can see on 4 hours candle. You can see the market. I've already explained everything to you. So you draw the support, but the market just broken it. The market just broken it right now. So it's broken the, it broken the resistance level. This is support. You can see the market has been touching this area for many. The market touch here. All right, touch here again and come back again to retest. Like that's the second time. You also come back again and do what, and retake. And it's 3. But when you come back, you now try to fall back to this particular level. So after it fall, the market just do what? Broken the what? Broken the what? Broken this area. All right, and start popping up. So if you want to buy now, you need to just wait for the market to come back to this zone. Let's say this is an example. The market's broken this level like this. All right, the market needs to just come back here. All right, then before the market starts, we start pushing up. So let me even show you again. All right, so you can see this is very, very simple. So this is our support, like I showed you earlier. This is support. Another, can you see? This is one touch. This is another touch. Why this is one also resistance? This is another resistance. Touch 1, 2, 3. So, and the market just broken that particular level. So now if you want to trade this kind of trade, this is what you need to do. So before you can easily trade anything here. So the market has already broken this level. So now let's do the technical sum right now. So the market has already broke the resistance. The resistance is where the market failed to break, but it has already break it right now. So what you need to do is, as the market broken the resistance from this level, you can see broken, then I need to just wait for it to come back here. Then before going up, right, you allow it to come back again before just passing up to the next level. So this is what you need to just do. All right, you wait for the market to just retrace, pick your buy here and target another level. It's that simple, and I can trade support and resistance. So this is support where the market failed to break down, and this is resistance, and the market has already broken the resistance level. So it's that simple and easy on what is support and resistance. Do well to like this video, share, comment, let me know which country are you watching from, so that I can make more video for you guys on technical analysis and fundamental analysis on the China. Thank you guys for watching. Bye for now.